If we look at this word problem, it seems like we have a couple of pieces missing. We know we have 90% mixed with 20%, and we know how much we end up with and the concentration that we end up with, but we don't know how much we mixed initially. Because, however, we know that we ended up with 6 milliliters, we can get around this by setting the amount of 90% solution that we used to A, and setting the amount of 20% solution to 6 minus A. That way we guarantee that when we add them together, we'll end up with 6. If we translate, we'll have A times 0.90, mixed with is just going to become plus, and we're going to have that 6 minus A, it's one quantity, so we need to put it in parentheses, of is multiplied, 20% becomes 0.20, equals is equals, 6 milliliters becomes 6, of is again multiply, and 48% is going to be 0.48. Now we can clean this up a little bit. We'll have A times 0.90 plus the quantity 6 minus A times 0.20, and that's going to equal 6 times 0.48. Again, we have the amount and solution of each part added together, and then the amount and solution of our total. That's going to give us 0.90A plus 1.2 minus 0.20A, and that all is going to equal 2.88. If we combine our like terms, we'll have 0.70A plus 1.2 is going to equal 2.88. We can subtract 1.2 from both sides of the equation, and that is going to give us 0.70A on the left and 1.68 on the right. If we divide both sides of the equation by 0.70, we'll end up with A being equal to 2.4. And what that tells us is we need 2.4 milliliters of the 90% solution when we're mixing these together. To find the amount of 20% solution we need, we can take 6 minus that 2.4, and that will give us 3.6, which tells us we need 3.6 milliliters of that 20% solution. And that will be our final answer.